UV blaster is a good option for sanitizing because it kills bacteria and virus, regardless of drug resistance and without toxic chemicals. Also, it becomes very easy to sanitize hard to clean nooks and corners where chemical spray may or may not be able to reach.
"12 by 12 feet room disinfection in just 10 minutes.
Inbuilt safety sensors.
It will be more than 10 feet distance wireless controlled. Both Android and Windows based operation. You can set operation time and click start button.
"360-degree human safety sensor. Inbuilt memory. UV blaster's built-in memory keeps track of the working hours of the system, along with the editable data backup of system use for any future reference.